Students, we are learning exponent, power or indices. I have taught you in the previous class about the basic of the this lesson, that is all the rules. Before that, one of the YouTube video also I have posted there. Also, you have gained knowledge. So exponents, sums are very interesting. I hope so. You are enjoying it because no much calculation is involved. Once you know some of the laws are there, once you know all these things, then implement all those laws in the sums, then you will find the answer without much headache or so. So let us do, we have covered up to 3 in our previous lesson. Today we will cover till the last sum, that is question number 9. So we will go once again, try to implement all those law in this. See, question number 4 is said to find out the value. You need to find a numerical value of all those indices sum. So what you need to do, say here it is given 2 by 5 to the power minus 3. I have said to you time and again that any time the power is minus, then you need to make the base reciprocal so that power become plus. So your target should be to make the indices of positive power, that is what. So 2 to the power 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 4 by 15 square, and then 7 by 225 whole to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is what? You know it is 1. And how it is 1, I have said to you. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Why? That I said to you. A to the power m divided by a to the power m again. A to the power m and a to the power m cancelling will be 1. And then if you do through the indices law, a to the power m minus m, so it will become a to the power 0. So a to the power 0 become 1 value. That I said to you, just go to the previous video of mine, you will understand why something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Anyhow, that is not my lesson today. You know it already. So this is to the power 0, means this also these values will be 1. Now this 2 doesn't have any link to implement any laws. That is why you will have to find out the value, numerical value. Power means the base multiplied that many times. But before that you need to make the power positive, as I said to you. That is why in the first step itself I made it reciprocal. This fraction reciprocal means 5 by 2 to the power 3. The power became positive into, now this one, whole to the power 4 by 15 whole to the power 2. That means 4 into 4 divided by 15 into 15. Is not it? Yes, and this is to the power 0 is equal to 1. What is the law? There are 2 laws implemented. Anything power minus means a fraction. Power minus means fraction will be reciprocal and power will be positive. That is, since a by b whole to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a to the power 1, you can make it very well. That is equal to b by a. Anything to the power 1 is equal to base value, and anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Fine. Then next step what you have done, this one 5 into 5 into 5 and 2 into 2 into 2 will be the denominator. 5 into 5 into 5 and 2 into 2 into 2 the denominator. Then this one as it is 4 into 4, and denominator will be multiplied with 15 into 15 also. And here is 1 means it will not have any value. So if you go for simplification, 5 will be cancelled with this 15 and 3. 5 will be cancelled with this 15 with 3. And 2 2s are 4, and 2 will be cancelled with 4, and 2 can divide 4 and we will get 2. So remaining with 5 into 2 and 3 into 3, 10 by 15 will be the answer. I hope things are very easy and you are able to do it of your own. Till I will teach you and go through my process, it will be easier to you. Now moving on to question number 5, I have taken the third sum. Third sum is very simple. Only thing, power negative is given to you, convert that one into power positive by making the base reciprocal. That is what you have done. In base is 2. 2 to the power minus 1 is always equal to 1 by 2 to the power plus 1, that is 1 by 2. Here I have not made 1 by 2 to the power 1. Anything to the power 1, we don't write down. 7 means 7 to the power 1. A means a to the power 1. That is why half means half to the power 1. So it will be half only because the power is negative. You made it positive. Here power is negative, made it positive by making that base reciprocal. So 1 by 4. 6 will be 1 by 6. 6 reciprocal is 1 by 6. 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2, 4 reciprocal is 1 by 4, that you all know. So these all things you have made it. At the power was negative, I have made the power positive. Positive power 1 means no power we write down usually. So divided by 3 by 2 to the power minus 2, that will become 2 by 3 to the power 2. I hope you have understood this also. What is the law? Anything to the power a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. That is what you have written. So now if you do this fraction simplification, the denominator's LCM will be 12, and then this will 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So all the sign will come 6 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3 to the power 2. See what will happen. This one, if you solve it, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So 1 by 12 into 3 by 2 raised 2. So 3 by 2 raised 2 will become 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So 1 by 12, that is, it is 12. Here it is 12. Here it is 12. That means, 9 by 3. This will be cancelled. 3 fours are. 3 to the power 3 by, the answer will be 3 by 16. 3 by 16 will be the answer. I hope the answer is mass. Just check. Now moving on to sixth question of that under 5 only. Here 1 raised minus 3 minus half raised minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole raised 0. This one, the value will be 1. As you know, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now moving this one to positive power, it will be 1 by 1 to the power cube. That means it is 1 only. So minus, here it will be reciprocal 1 by 2. Reciprocal will be 2, 2 to the power 2 by 1 to the power 2, 3 by 1 to the power 1. Just I made it to make you understand. That is equal to minus 1. This will become 1. Then here denominator 1 means 1 to the power anything means the value is 1, isn't it? So 2 square means 4, minus 4 it will be 3, power 1 means it will be 3 only, and this is minus 1. So now the value will become all plus 3 plus 1 4, and here is minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. I hope you have understood it. Things are very simple. You need to implement the laws and you need to find out the value. Now moving on to question number 7. There are two questions. How much should you multiply to any of the indices sum so that you will get another power product. That is what you need to find out. I have said to you, for you it will be easy if you learn only one standard procedure. Something to be multiplied, let it be a variable x, or something to be divided, let it the variable be, let it will be variable x. Then you frame an equation and then try to find out the value of x, and that will be the answer. So same way, let by x be by x only this will be multiplied. 5 by 3 raised minus 1 to be multiplied by x, so that the product become 3 by 4 raised minus 1. Could you understand me? So what has happened? So let the multiplier in this case be, means what is the multiplier? That will be multiplying this by this, some that will be multiplied, and the result will become this. The product will become 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 1. So what will happen? Now let it be x. So what is the multiplicand? 5 by 3 raised minus 1. Multiplied x you have taken, let it be x. Then that is equal to this, that is product is equal to this. This is the equation. This one, if you frame it, then go for the linear equation solving to find out the value of the variable. You will be able to see x remains, this will go that side. If it goes that side, this will become division. So 3 by 4 raised minus 1 was there to the right hand side, and this was, this was multiplied here, that has gone that side, so it will become divided. So 5 by 3 raised minus 1 has gone to the other side as a division. Now x value will be what? This one is having minus power, therefore it will become, base will be reciprocal, so 4 by 3 divided by, this is also having minus power, so the base will be reciprocal, so base is 5 by 3, it will become 3 by 5. So that is what, divide sign will not change now. You have now, you have written down the law, a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a to the power 1, that is b by a. So x is equal to, now this division sign will change to multiplication sign, and then base once again will be reciprocal, so that will become 5 by 3. Now 4 into 5 will be 20, 20 by 9. So x value will be 20 by 9. Therefore, the number by which this is multiplied, so that the product become this. So the answer will be 220 by 9. I hope you have understood this very simple aspect. You have done in a previous standard also, this standard also, when you have solved the whole number part and all, then things are very easy. Now similarly, what should be by what some of the indices will be divided, so that there is question come this. Let that divisor be x. So let by x minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 be divided, so that the question become 15 by 16 to the power minus 1. Now frame an equation that you have written on the statement. This is the equation: minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1 divided by x is equal to 15 by 16 to the power minus 1. Now next step will be what? This x is divided, so x will become 1 by x. So minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1, same thing, same you have written, and minus x, this become minus x, and change the sign, multiplication is equal to this one, base will be reciprocal, 16 by 15. Could you understand this step? Now this one again, minus 1 is the power, therefore plus 1, if you make it, it will be 3 minus 3 by 2, because it was minus 2 by 3, base will be changing, so it will be 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by x is equal to 16 by 15. Now minus x, this one is multiplied, it will go to the other side as I think it is this will go to the other side. Okay, that I have directly done, cross multiplication I have done. So 2 will go that side and 3 will come this side. So 16 by 15 into minus 2 by 3. 1 by x is equal to, 1 by x is equal to this. 1 by x is equal to how much then? Minus 32. 16 into minus 2 is minus 32. 15 into 3 is 45. So 1 by x is equal to minus 32 by 45. I hope you have understood it. Now x will be what? X will be, again this will be reciprocal. To find out x, now you have just made 1 by x reciprocal means x, and this one reciprocal, other side also you have to make it reciprocal, so that it will become 45 by 32. So x is equal to minus 45 by 32. So by minus 45 by 32, if you divide minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1, so that you will get the quotient as 15 by 16 to the power minus 1. I hope things are very easy. I may be a little faster to explain you. It's just go through slowly, you will understand. Okay, now moving on to question number 9 is very, very important. I'll tell you this exercise, question number 9 is very important. To solve question number 9, one thing we must know. If both the side equal to both the side power, base is same, the power also will be equal to. That means a to the power x is equal to a to the power 3, then x value will become 3. Here left hand side the power is x, base is a. Right hand side base is a and power is 3. Then the power value also will be equal. So x value will be equal to 3. Could you understand that? You will have to do. So both the side will have to make the base same, so that whatever the power comes, that will become equal to. With that only you have to find out the value of x. Very interesting sum. Just see, 3 to the power 2x plus 1 into 3 raised to 3 to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 5. Fantastic. See, both all the bases are 3. You see. Otherwise, you have to convert to make the base equal. Could you understand? Base same. So see, this is this is a log. 3 to the power 2 by 2 plus x into 3 to the power 2. Bases are equal and multiplication sign is there. What will be the formula? Formula is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n. Power will be added. Base will be one time and power will be added. So that is what we have done it. See, this is equal to, base is one time and power is added, 2x plus 1 plus 2. 2x plus 1 plus 2 will be the power for 3 base. is equal to 3 by 5. Other side you don't have to do anything because it is already in simplified form. So what is the law? Product law you are written, since a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, that you don't forget to write. Now see, bases are equal. Now you have simplified this. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 you have written down is equal to 3 to the power 2x plus 3 and 3 to the power 5. So see the power 2x plus 3 and 5. So bases are same, so power will be equal as I said to you. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. So power is also equal. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Why? A to the power x is equal to a to the power 1. Then see, base are same. A, both side a terms, so power also will be equal. X will be equal to 1. That is what you have done it. Here also bases are same. So power should be equal. 2x plus 3 is equal. Now 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. You can very well find out the value of x, isn't it? Or you are Buddhu? No, na? No one of my student is Buddhu. So therefore you will be able to 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. X will be 3 has gone that side, so 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. I hope you have understood. This sum is very important. Little different type of indices sum. See, things are very simple here. If you take class 9 book and also know, you will understand the beauty of solving these all things, because you have to bring the power, bring the base same. For that you have to do something. So मेहनत ना करने से कुछ भी नहीं होता है डियर. So मेहनत करना सीखो. Take the tough sum and try to solve it. You will get the zeal out of it. Okay, fine. Let us do another sum of this kind. See, 3 by 4 to the power minus 5 into 3 by 4 to the power 6. See, base is 3 by 4, 3 by 4. There is no difficulty at all. And this side of the base is also 3 by 4. And the power is here this. So this side only one operation, multiplication law. A to the power m, a is here 3 by 4. To the power m is minus 5 and n is minus 6. So a to the power m plus n. So minus 5 plus minus 6. Minus 5 plus minus 6 is equal to what? So that side it will become same, only 3 by 4 to the power minus 2 minus 3. So it will be 3 by 4 to the power, this is solve it, no, minus 5 minus 6 minus 11 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power minus 2x minus 3. So this, see, this side 3 by 4 to the power minus 11 and this side 3 by 4 to the power minus 2x minus 3. So both the side bases are same. So what will be? Power will be equal. So power will be equal means minus 11 is equal to minus 2x minus 3. Minus 11 is equal to minus 2x minus 3. Now go by the, you solve it, find out the value of x. X you bring this side because x has to be made positive. So 2x is equal to minus 11. You take that side, it will become plus 11. So 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 8. 2x is equal to minus 3 plus, 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 11. So x is equal to 8. It will be, this side will be 8 plus 11 minus 3 is 8 and this 2 will be divided. So x will be 8 by 2. X is 8 by 2. What is that? 8 by 2. My goodness. 8 by 2 is 4. Okay, so x value is 4. I hope you have understood the interesting sum of indices and you will enjoy practicing all these things. And doubt if it is there, no. If it is there, no, then I will, okay, ask me.